In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous versions in OneDrive. This is a simple and reliable way to roll a file back if something was deleted, overwritten, or changed by mistake. We'll do everything in a web browser using the OneDrive website, so you don't need to install anything extra. First, open your preferred browser and search for OneDrive. Click the official Microsoft OneDrive link to go to the sign-in page. When you're there, type in the email address associated with your OneDrive account, then click Next to log in. If you're prompted for your password or additional verification, just follow the on-screen instructions so you can get to your files securely. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive home. Click My Files to see your folders and documents. Browse to the file you want to undo changes on. When you find it, move your cursor over the file name and look for the three dots next to it. That three-dot icon opens the Files menu. Click it to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Version History. This opens a panel or a new window showing a list of all the saved versions of that file, usually with dates, times, and sometimes the size or who made the change. Take a moment to read the timestamps so you can identify the version you want to go back to. Next, find the exact version you need. Click the three dots beside that specific version to see its options. Then click Open File to restore. This opens that snapshot so OneDrive can return the document to the state it was in at that time. If you see a slightly different label in your interface, such as restore, the result is the same. Your file is reverted to that earlier version. After restoration, OneDrive keeps the version you just replaced in the history too. That's helpful because it means you can always switch back again if you need to. If you don't see the version you expect, try scrolling through the list and make sure you're working in the correct account. Also note that version history is available for files stored in OneDrive online. If a file hasn't been synced to the cloud yet, versions won't appear here. That's it. You searched for OneDrive, signed in with your account, opened My Files, used the three dots next to your document to access version history, and then opened the version you wanted to restore. With these steps, you can confidently recover earlier versions whenever you need them.